Mikay, ang imong partner is a counselor serving the people. I saw him very responsible. Kabalo ka, makapasamayan ko sa lalaki, responsibly kayo ng imong partner. Klaro ba kayo? Makafeel din na ako. Yes. Yes. That's good. Okay. Okay. Please now, are you ready? You have to get sexy going to Mikay. Mr. DJ Music. Let's go, Konsihan. Itaan na Konsihan. Kung siyang tuhod. Okay. Let's wait. Okay. Sexy di hapon kung saan pagtaan. Sexy. Hala! Hala! Hala ka sir! Di ba nilin kayo? Kasorting yan. Okay. Thank you so much. 8 counts po. I'll be counting 8. Okay? Ready? Wait for the last number 8 until the last, when I say stop the 8, stop na po yung kissing. Okay, ready? Let's do this! Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Color everywhere. Cross your arms. Everybody say cheers. Cheers. More years to follow. Alright, congratulations. Another kiss po. 1, 2, 3 kiss. Go. Go, go, go. Go. Ako si Hal. Wait, request, pag-kiss ko na din mo ni Mikay, pinaanatin ko no. Okay, ready? Hinay lang. Sige, sige. 1, 2, 3, Mikay. 1, 2, 3, go!
So, itapon lang message kayo yung ito ha. Simple man nyo, marriage is not beds on roses. Ako niwa, itong marriage is the rainbows and butterflies. So, sigba man hanggang ano nangyayari, hanggang ano na nangyayari, dami mga problema ito ay maabot kayo. So, isipan niyo, paano ka mo nakakilala, paano mo niya ginayaban, paano mo niya ginasagot, kung paano ito ninyo magpo-prolong ito ng relationship. Of course, God in the center. So, again, congratulations. We hope and praying si pamahan niyo best man na representative, everlasting marriage. So again, congratulations. God bless.
Mikay?
Hello. Hello po. Bigyan ka naman niralanda ng ano. Congratulations po. Congratulations po. Wishing you a lifetime of happiness, laughter, and yeah, I'm gonna go. Cheers to the newlywed. Bukul ba ako?